cousin like that. His name is Sam David West. Chidiade. This man, what did he go to prison for? Rich watch and cup of tea, oh, funny people. Rich watch and cup of tea, he went to prison. Today, he's gallivanting, he's shouting, Buhari, Buhari, Buhari. Ha! Oh, Mumu know too much. Oh, Mumu know too much. Tam David West, Chidiade. You went to prison for wristwatch and cup of tea. You still dey follow Gambari for yard. That's how we are. When the issue of Biafra came, Charlie Boy said, it's not in support of Biafra, we are rascals, we are this. 70 years old man. Then Tiagasa, they Tiagasa, he fell, he fainted, he passed out. He passed out. 70 years old man. But when their people came, police with horses, with everything, patrol vehicle, were escorting them. And they were dancing and singing and abusing Charlie Boy. But they say Charlie Boy is our Mumu don't too much. Charlie Boy, now your Mumu not too much. You be Mumu. You think say they wise. You are a Mumu man. You are a Mumu man. And then throw the tear gas if something way bad for issue. We just pray. They say, oh, our Mumu done too much, our Mumu done too much. You be Mumu, they call other people Mumu. They never show you say you be Mumu. Nigeria is not for Desani. Nigeria is not for Charlie Boy. Nigeria is not for Goodluck Jonathan. Nigeria is not for Alhaji Mujahid Dokbasara Diabal. It's not for us. The earlier we realize this, the earlier every one of you realizes, the better it will be for us. That Nigeria is not for us. How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? Eh? Charlie Boy? Goodluck Jonathan? He want to be America, we know. Who is America? No be small North Korea, they knock America here, knock America there. What America don't do, America will know. Instead of you to do something for people, they build a magic school with our money. Instead of this, they go Zingero, they go this place. Now, even road to go to work no day. You want to please others and displease us and displease yourself. Now they never leave you. They have left you behind. This is why some of us, they call us tribalists, they call us tribal jingoists, they call us tribal juggernauts, they call us racists, they call us all sorts of good. God no make mistake when he create me John man. He did not make any mistake. Now God now make me John man. If God don't want me to be John man, if he make me another thing now. No. He don't make me. So you are trying to do CC. You are trying to please everybody like this. Good luck, Jonathan. Who will want please? The people where please, wait them. Where the people where them where pack all the money go. No only Tejani night thief. No only Akpablokem night thief. No only Kingsley Kuku night thief. No only Patience night thief. With no other person thief. Even when court say Ruby no thief, then say them she thief, in thief. When court say Patient no thief, then say she thief. All of them, even if they are caught up, no. Because the earlier you learn to be who you are, the better it will be for you. Man know thyself. You don't know yourself. Desani did not know herself. Orubibi did not know himself. Charlie Boy did not know himself. Somebody had been away for 94 days. Ghost president. This photo president. Nigeria president now photo. Everybody go ghost now photo with them. Say our president is now photo with the video from Africa from Canterbury. It's now photo with the Rogers. It's now photo with this one. Now president now photo on a vote. The president is now a picture. Photo. Not be juju be that. Not be when our father died for Ijola and we they cover them, keep them for house, they pour libation. You lose friend and prayer. Answer him. Moko Buhari boy you lose Buhari prayer. Oro lose that. No no ruler. Chitombo arebo fubo. And that is it. Ari furu site mesi lakwo. And our we have to rise up. We have to know who we are. The only thing that can guarantee our freedom is the independence of Biafra. There's no two ways about it. Good luck if you like pretend. The only security for you is independence. The Zani, if you like pretend, the only security for you is independent. Charlie Boy pretend the only independence for you, the only freedom, the only liberty, peace for you is the independence of Biafra. We are capable of achieving independence of Biafra. They are not stronger than us. Here, Oyibo Remaso, Oyibo. Oyibo Remaso, Oyibo. Why Chinebia? We will meet each other. That is the only basis for our existence as a people. The independence of Biafra. They say, sorry, oh. May God not allow them, make them kill you. Even though you don't give us, we still not say you be our daughter. But we hope another defeat day you could learn. Well, there's an opportunity come for but once. Now, so when we saw them talking. So be Ijaw first, be Igbo first, be Biafra first.